Ain't no way they're announcing a snowstorm tomorrow. No way.
Oh. Oh. Ooh, let's get ready.
It's 5:28-ish, and I'm gonna go ahead and confront the snow. I literally had this in my hair, like, in my head, on my head, the whole day. Because I was indoors the whole day because the snow just didn't stop, and it's snowstorming.
I only have one cloth. I don't know where's the other one. Anyway, all ready to go.
Yep, time to go out, I guess. Let's go. I kid you not, this is no joke. If I wanted to go to the store right now nearby, I could literally not do that because look, I'm wearing boots right now, okay? They're pretty tall, but look, it's so steep. Not just look. It's like literally going up my boot, but I got long pads, so it's not too much. Just look. Nah, bro, this is actually a joke. Snow is not stopping. This is crazy. Now, if I need to go back, then
I don't know what to do. It's so deep. Like, it's not stopping. I can't walk regularly, normally. No. If you ask me, kicking the snow is actually a good exercise. It's letting you just... Oh, okay. See, I guess I also have beef with you because I'm literally going to continue throwing snow at you. Just bear with it. I kid you not, it felt like a really comfortable bed, or just, oh, light, okay, and up we go. Anyway, just look how shiny the snow is. It's literally so satisfying. Oh, well, bye.